In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and securely store your Monzo statements for offline backups. If you ever need quick access to your statements without an internet connection, or you want your own copy for tax time or audits, having an offline backup is a smart move. Monzo stores your data securely on its servers, but exporting your statements gives you that extra layer of control and peace of mind. Start by opening the Monzo app and heading to your account. Make sure you're viewing the account you want to back up, whether it's your personal account or your business account. Take a second to confirm the date range you're interested in, like this month, last quarter, or the full tax year, so the export captures what you actually need. Next, export your statements or transaction history. Monzo lets you download these as PDFs or CSV files. PDFs are ideal if you want a clean, ready-to-read statement that looks like a traditional bank document. CSV files are better if you plan to analyze spending, filter transactions, or import data into a spreadsheet or finance app. Choose the format that suits your purpose, then confirm the export. It helps to use a clear file name that includes the account and date range so you can find it later without hunting. If you use Monzo for business, you can streamline this even further. Connect your accounting tools or enable auto exports to your chosen cloud storage so statements and transaction data land where you need them automatically. This reduces manual work and keeps everything consistent for bookkeeping. Just review your settings carefully, confirm the correct company account, and check that the frequency and destination match your workflow. Once the files are downloaded, store them securely on your device or a backup drive for your records. Place them in a protected folder and consider using a reputable encrypted location if your device offers one. Avoid public or shared folders and keep a secondary backup on an external drive or trusted cloud storage you control. Organizing by year and month will make retrieval simple when you need it. To wrap up, Monzo already works hard to keep your data secure, but exporting your statements ensures you always have an offline backup on hand. Open the app and go to your account, export as PDF or CSV, enable business integrations or auto exports if that fits your workflow, and then store the files safely. With these steps, you'll be ready for audits, budgeting, or a no internet day without any stress.